Hee. Thanks for coming first in my life. I got here first. I couldn't type it. But why mods? Why you couldn't type? Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for this lifestyle. Hurry after that stream to live. Um, me Malta. Me Malta. I'm from Pakistan. Where is phone? Where is my phone? You are single? No. Astaghfirullah. नहीं कौन से फैन कहाँ के फैन मेरे को नहीं पता किसी फैन का only English. Why not English? Hello everyone. I'm here right now. मैं बहन कभी नहीं खा सकती वो ग्राउंड में ना सारे लाशें बने जिंदा लाशें मैं कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग का डिप्लोमा करती हूँ ज़्यादा रूम में मैं बैठी हूँ इसलिए वो वहाँ से लाशें बने बने हैं नहीं इंस्टाग्राम होता है What is Instagram? Tell me anything about Instagram. तुम निकलो इंडिया से तो तुम्हारा इंडिया में आऊँ जाऊँ कुछ भी करूँ इससे तो कोई लेना देना बनाना याद है प्लीज देखो। क्यों आवाज ठीक क्यों करूं? मेरे सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम है ना, आवाज नहीं हो सकती। फेस का भी करना है, यूट्यूब पे भी लाइव करना है। जी जी बिल्कुल रणजीत। मैं क्या देखना चाह रही हूँ? उमर वालेकुम अस्सलाम। मैं 26 कंप्यूटर प्रोजेक्ट होते हैं क्या? नहीं, इसी तरह तो बेइज्जती नहीं हो सकती मेरी थोड़ी। हे गाइस मोस्ट वेलकम। इतनी क्या कमी है मेरी बस्ती? गाँव से अपने मेरे में। हाँ रिहान कंजूस हो रहा है, दिन ब दिन एक दिन आएगा यहाँ को बोलेगा कि इनकम प्लीज लाख 20% में करो प्लीज। जाओ तो सब माफ करो रिहान, मैं कहूँगी बस आप मेरे पास तो कुछ तो है, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम अस्सलाम, कैसे हो? हाय गर्ल, हाय गाइस। ये सब फालतू क्यों देख रहे हो भाई लोग? वो देखो स्क्रॉल 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 है, प्लीज जल्दी करो। स्क्रॉल करो। अल्लाह से क्या करूं मैं? इस नेटवर्क का मेरे को नहीं समझ में आता है। व्हाट आई डू विद दिस नेटवर्क आई डोंट नो। अच्छा नहीं वालेकुम अस्सलाम। हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। मैं अपना सेल्फ कर रहा हूँ तो लाइक मेरे को इतनी नींद आ रही है के बाद मैं 2 घंटे लगभग 4 फ़ोन देखती हूँ, मुझे नींद आ रही है। एक दिन पता है क्या हुआ? मैं गाना चलाते-चलाते सो रही थी, इतनी आवाज़ आ रही थी। आपने नहीं देखा क्या? अभी तक वीडियो देख रही है, अभी तक इसके फ़ोन से आवाज़ें आ रही। फ़ोन चला था मेरी कुछ हाँ, लाइक 10 मिनट नहीं हुए। अच्छा, बहुत अच्छे समझ रहे हो मेरे को। आप सो जाओ यहाँ पे। थैंक यू बट मैं वो सीख नहीं कर सकती। मुझे मीठा अच्छा नहीं लगता। मुँह में मेरा और उसी मुँह से मुझे मीठा अच्छा नहीं लगता। बेशक में कुछ नहीं लगता। इतने सारे बंदे लाए एक बार उठो और मेरे को पानी पिलाओ। नहीं सिंगल प्रॉब्लम ठीक है ठीक है। جی ہاں اللہ کا نہیں صلاح نہیں کری آپ کو آپ مت کھائیں پلیز آپ بہت تھینک یو اتنے مطلب سے کوئی اٹھو اور میرے لیے پانی نکالو یہ لسی تو ویسے ہی نہیں میرے سے نہیں کٹا ہوا ہے موبائل بس میں پرابلم ہوگا لائٹ نہیں کھولا جا رہی ہوں guys I'm going right now کچھ سمجھ نہیں آتا ہے آتی ہوں دوبارہ آ رہی ہوں جنتوں میں دونوں ساتھ یس آ گیا سب کچھ اندھیرا ہو گیا میں کالی کٹولی بن گئی سی می آئی ایم کالی کٹولی کون سی رات پڑھوں دنیا کے اے مسافر منزل تیری قبر ہے طے کر رہا ہے جو تو دو دن کا یہ سفر ہے جب سے بنی ہے دنیا لاکھوں کروڑ آئے باقی رہا نہ کوئی مٹی میں سب سمائے دنیا کے اے مسافر منزل تیری قبر ہے طے کر رہا ہے جو تو دو دن کا یہ سفر ہے Hello guys, let's enjoy the wine. It's a wine. کون سی بھی پڑھی اور میرے موت والی ہی پڑھ دی 2 دن بعد ہم لوگ قبر میں ہوں گے جی ادھر جا کے پلیز آپ بھی بتانا Hello, Megrela. After a long time, see you here in my live. Thanks for joining this my live, Megrela. How are you? You wanna drink it? How are you? I'm good, and you? Oh my God. Megrela, why you didn't join my live? Now time in Pakistan, I just tell you 5:56 a.m. 5:56 a.m. morning time. And in your country? गामा सर नहीं आए, रिहान किधर चले गए? आपकी लाइव सुन रहा है, ऐसे से पता नहीं लाइव सुनते हैं, सुनते मुझे नींद लगी जा रही है। अस्तगफिरुल्लाह। In Poland is 2:56 a.m. or p.m. Now in your country it's a.m. or p.m. It's a.m. time or p.m. time in your country. पहले अपना चेहरा तो दिखा दो मुझे। उधर जाके फिर तेरे को चित्र पढ़ने हैं। एस के हाय। AM. Oh, it's night time in your country. Here morning time. AM. Okay. Here in my country, see, here in in India, 6:27, and in Pakistan 5:57 AM, and in Poland 2:56 AM. Okay. Michaela, nice to see you here in my live. Thanks for joining this live. Really appreciate this. Always support my channel when you're free. Always join my live when you're free. Here morning times. Almost 6 p.m. AM, 6 a.m. Yes, we are Pakistani. I am a Pakistani girl. रुमैसा जी हूँ। रुमैसा कौन? रुमैसा मेरे को किसी रुमैसा का नहीं पता है। रुमैसा कौन है? कहाँ रहती है? Where you still awake? Not in bed. No. Michaela, I didn't sleep the whole night. After this I will sleep. Because I'm still live all night. Just for my family health. Because my father. Michaela, listen. You see my comment in your videos. You see my comments. You read my comments and you understand what I want. I think you know, Michaela. बाबा उठेंगे, अब क्या हुआ है पूछेंगे। क्या होता बेटा, ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हो? जल के Hey guys. Hello MD Sam. Can you repeat? Yeah. But what I repeat, Makrela, just listen. What language you speak? What language you understand? You mostly understand. What language? It means what's your home language? Sorab. Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. Astaghfirullah, not you, T. Hasi. Makrela, what language you speak in your home? What is your mother language? My language is Polish, but I understand English and Russian. Oh, okay. So Makrela, I said you read my comments in your videos. I leave some comments in your videos. You read? You know, Makrela, I can't speak very well English, but some words like that. Easy English. Superman, welcome. Yes, I remember. Okay, Makrela. वैसा एक पाकिस्तानी woman है. Who is Pakistani? पाकिस्तान में women भी होती है. MD Saddam, hello guys. Thanks for joining this live, Makrela. I really need your support. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your support in my life. And Makrela, everyone good in your family? Everyone fine? Rumesa, Gigi. Yes, I am a Pakistani. I am a Pakistani, guys. Yes, my family is on vacation right now. I stayed at home. Okay. Why you didn't go and visit your family in vacations? Why? Why you stay in home? Your English speaking is nice. Thank you. Really appreciate this. थैंक यू. मैं नेक्स्ट टाइम अपने नील्स पर मेहंदी नहीं लगाऊंगी. नींद तो आप सो जाइए ना. आसिफ अली वेलकम. महाजों से आती है जन्नत की खुशबू मेरे दिल को बेचैन किए जा रही है. नो ओके नो स्लिप. सोना नहीं है. Because I have some duties on university, my parents sent us to go on vacation for a weekend. Okay, Makrela. Makrela, you are a university student? Makrela, you are a student or you are a teacher? माशाल्लाह आप पढ़ते जाओ ना. मैं सोता हूँ सुबह नहीं आप मत सो. और मैं कैसे पढ़ती जाऊंगी इतने सारी नोट्स. Yes, I'm a student physiology. Oh, what's year right now? What's the year of your study? You know, I'm also a student, Makrela, a part-time study. Okay, Makrela, you know, I'm also a student of computer operating 1 year diploma, and my first semester is over, and now my second semester is starting. Wow, unique name, Nikami. Thank you. आज संडे है. सच में संडे है. मेरे को ये बात नहीं पता है. हाँ संडे. तो संडे में क्या स्पेशल होता है? When you going to network New York? When I going to New York? I have no money to go New York, so first send me money, then I go to New York. Okay. कितनी पब्लिक रिएक्टिव बताऊंगा आपको. क्या मतलब? इसका मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. My real name. I can't show my real name. Sorry. Real name. I can't show my real name. Sorry. I apologize for this. Most respectfully, I beg to say that morning to you. Hafiz Shehzad, you are obediently XYZ. Thank you. CCTV पता है आपको? Makrela! Oh my god! Thank you, Makrela. Thank you. Really appreciate your support in my life. What a surprise, Makrela. Makrela, I'm a moderator in my life. Okay. Thank you so much, Makrela. Thank you. Really appreciate your support in my life. Ramu, most welcome. Ma'am, lovely, so sweet and beautiful. Thank you. Sorry, Makrela, here a lot of network problems. Sorry, Makrela, here a lot of network problems. So sorry for that. Sorry for this, Makrela. Sorry, I apologize for this. Really sorry. Hey guys, Makrela, are you here right now? Rihan, thank you so much, Ramu. Makrela, right now here's so much problem in my city, so it's just technical. Yes, Makrela, you're right. Ram Ram, मेरी तरफ से भी आपको सलाम. Where do you buy your niqabs from? Mariam, it's from my city, and one of my friend have a shop in Lahore. If you say, I will give you her contact number. Okay. रोमैसा नींद अरे सो जाए ना चाय हो गई आपकी? No, I don't like tea. Makrela, you like tea? Why I become a moon? Makrela, because you are a special member of my life, because you support in my life, and now you are moderator. Okay. Don't more question. Because I can't speak English very much, so you just my moderator. What is your good name, Nikami? My name is Nico. You should call me Nico. You give her super chat, that's why. Yes. Guys, thank you so much. Makrela, I show you something. Makrela, I show you something. Really, I show you something. Stay there, okay? You wanna see something? I show you. You wanna see something? I show you something. कौन है ये आप हो Rihanna Puna, how are you? Okay, Makrela, just a second, okay? Just a second. I show you something. Makrela, just see it. Cat babies. Cutie. Okay. Pretty. Oh my god. What's so cute, cat baby? Thank you. Just leave it. Cutie, just leave it. See in camera. Okay. See in camera. Okay. Makrela, you love cats? He is scared. No. Her age is just 1 month, so that's why he is scared, I think. But he is a bit. He not scared with humans. Yes, I like cats. Okay, I have same two cat babies. One is sleeping, one is here. Oh my god. Okay. I just leave her. Okay. Okay. जाओ. I love so much cats. Let him go. Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Thanks for joining my live. How many people answered? But only Makrela. So, what's problem with you, Umar Farooq? Comment. I'm replying all of comments. So, comments. कैसे हैं? अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. आप कैसे हैं? How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm good. And you? Everyone is good. I'm good. Allah का शुक्र है. माशाल्लाह. Makrela, it's your real name, Makrela? Talk with her. I'm replying all of your comments. Cause Mariam, what's the problem with you? Maria, why you said all time he gives him super chat, he gives him super chat. What's the problem with you if he gives me? It's her money, he gives me or not. What's problem with you? आप कहाँ से हो? मैं पाकिस्तान से. Yes, मैं करेला. People feel so much jealous. Hi, hi. Megrela, I say you something. What's your language? Can you tell me? Can you tell me your language? I just use my translator and I say you something in your language. Hi, hi. You speak Polish? Polish language? What is your name? My name is Nikami. Polish language. Okay, just a second.
Jasne, oto po polsku. Dziękuję Ci bardzo, że przyszedłeś na moją transmisję. Bardzo nam przyjemnie, gdy do nas przychodzisz. Dziękuję za wsparcie dla mojej rodziny. Moja rodzina potrzebuje tylko trochę Waszego wsparcia w tym miesiącu, ponieważ mieszkamy w wynajętym domu, a musimy wpłacić zaliczkę na własny dom. Więc jeśli możesz, proszę, wspomóż naszą rodzinę w tym miesiącu. Cała moja rodzina będzie się za Ciebie modlić. Czy chciałbyś przetłumaczyć coś jeszcze? Jasne, po polsku to będzie. Ponieważ mieszkamy tutaj w wynajętym domu, nasze życie jest bardzo trudne, dlatego potrzebujemy tylko trochę Twojej pomocy. Proszę, pomóż nam. Chcesz przetłumaczyć coś jeszcze?
Hello, Miss Nikami. Hello, Danish Chaudhary. कैसे हो? Megrela, you understand what I wanna say you? You understand that? Because I'm not so much comfortable in speaking English language. That's why I use translator. Hey guys, most welcome. Yes, I understood that. Okay.
Oczywiście, po polsku brzmi to tak. Słuchaj, wszyscy jesteśmy bardzo szczęśliwi, że idziemy do własnego domu, a ja też bardzo ciężko pracowałem na YouTube. Wszystko, co zarobiłem z YouTube, to było moje marzenie, żeby zbudować własny dom. I po prostu potrzebujemy trochę Twojej pomocy, żeby to marzenie stało się rzeczywistością. Czy to brzmi dobrze?
निकम्मी नहीं लगती हूँ लेकिन मैं हूँ लगने और होने में फर्क होता है बट मैं हूँ यू हैव वेरी गुड इंग्लिश मोहतरमा थैंक यू आप कहाँ से हो एमडी सदाम मैं पाकिस्तान से और आप कहाँ से हो मैक्रेला यू आर क्लेवर गर्ल नो Why are you jealous about Makrela? He can't understand my language. That's why I use translator for him. That's why I respect her just for that. He's putting myself. Why everyone feels jealous in my channel? Makrela! Thank you so much, Makrela. Thank you so much. Really, thank you. Thank you so much. Really happy. Makrela, thank you. Math quiz, yes. Welcome everyone. No one jealous, sister. Umar Farooq, brother. You feel jealous. I said you feel jealous. Why you feel jealous? Makrela is a nice man. Really nice man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support in my channel. मैथ क्विज आपको मेरे से ज्यादा जल्दी है क्या? Makrela, I show you my home. I show you my home. वो कैसे ऐसे मेरे को नहीं पता कैसे, बस ऐसे Hey guys, most welcome. Show me. Okay, just a second. I show you. I show you. Here, it's back camera. Sorry. Here, see it. Because you love it. Oh, cutie. Oh, cutie. Oh, cutie. Okay, I'm showing you right now something. Here, see. Hello. Okay. I think he is still sleeping because it's morning time. I show you the later. Nice animals. Thank you. मैं यस मैं बकरी चोरी करते हुए थैंक यू थैंक यू It's our room. Bye. Here I'm doing live stream. See in the back. I see in the back. Hello. Guys, everyone be respectful comments, okay? निकम्मी काम भी कर लिया करो. नहीं काम नहीं करती. I didn't do anything because I'm निकम्मी. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. Listen, Makrela, you love animals? I am from Pakistan. मैं पाकिस्तानी हूँ. So मोहम्मद साथम. I'm from Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan. Hey guys. Makrela. No. I am a queen. काम चोर हो क्या बहुत ज्यादा? नहीं, अक्सर क्वीन को नहीं जानती. Hey guys, thank you so much joining my live and thanks for showing your love in my life. Thank you so much. Really appreciate everyone. Really appreciate Macarena and really appreciate everyone. Yes, I love animals. I have hamsters now, some cats around the house. My neighbor feeds them. Why you didn't feed your animals? Why your neighbor feeds them? You know, I love so much animals. I love goat and I love so much cats. But my mom didn't like cats in home. But we like. My mom likes goat in our home and we likes cats. अपना नेम खुद रखा. ये वाला किसी फ्रेंड ने ये मेरे पापा ने रखा. उमर फारूक. My father gives me this name. लिखा me. Hey guys. Rihan, are you here right now? कहाँ से हो? मैं पाकिस्तान से. Hello everyone. Makrela, what's you like so much? What's your favorite dish? And you're joining in my life. What's your favorite color? Assalamu alaikum. Alaikum assalam. कहाँ से हो? I'm from Pakistan. Because they're like wild cat, but only my neighbors feed them for use. Many of them are afraid of humans. Sometimes are more friendly cats. Yes. Could you repeat? I said, what's your favorite dish? And what's your favorite animal? Hi, Sunil Kumar Chaudhary Hamad Walaikum Assalam. What's your favorite animal and what's your favorite food? I show you my favorite food to you. Okay, I show you. You know, this biryani, Pakistani food, biryani. You love biryani? You know about anything about biryani? पाकिस्तान में लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रही हूँ. आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम करूँ, कुछ भी करूँ? मैं यहाँ अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम में स्टैक ही नहीं बोलती. I don't know this kind of dish, but I'm interested. Okay, Makrela, you visit one time Pakistan. I will give you this food. Okay. You know, Makrela, I give you a party and I add all Pakistani food in party. Okay. I think you enjoy. You know, Pakistani food is really, really, really. I love Pakistani foods. That's why I think I'm from Pakistan. That's why I like these foods. But if one time you taste these foods, you never forget. Mhm. वैसे पूछ रहा था हाँ गुलफाम हाय hey guys everyone most welcome in my life if you don't mind then if you mind then sorry no problem कैसे हो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह hey guys hi गुलफाम कैसे हो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह hi Rasik just listen Makrela can you tell me about your country foods can you tell me about your country foods oh sorry तो आपको क्या सलियान आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम है मुराफी thank you guys just complete my goal thank you so much मुराफी नहीं मेरी बहन नहीं आई है इस टाइम है दीपक मुराफी थैंक यू सो मच Makrela, what about your country foods? Lily Milly, don't do this. बुरी बात नहीं उधर जाके करो मैं ब्लू वाली हूँ अस्सलाम वालेकुम वालेकुम अस्सलाम everyone most welcome Morafi thank you so much my country foods are pierogi, bakes and figs. Okay, listen, I searched about this and I wanna see I just wanna see what's about this one. P A Rogi. Oh, Bigos. Okay, I just wanna see it. Bigos. Okay, and Zurich. Zurich. there are a lot of difference about you and our foods. But I just taste this because I think just I tell you, not because I just wanna pierogi. I just wanna eat one time this pierogi. I just wanna taste it. Just for many different dishes. Yes. Here hues of difference. I think it depends on country foods. What's the people so much love? Azan, walaikum assalam. उमर ये लेस कैट नहीं खाती हूँ. मैं कचरा हूँ. For example, there are interests of Europeans with meat, mushroom, cheese. Oh. Yes, I am a kachra. Makrela, just see, you wanna eat these spicy chips? Reach me, hello. You know, Makrela, I love so much spicy food. Thank you so much, Makrela. I'll show you my outfit. Yeah, same as me. I love so much spicy food. I'll show you my outfit right now. Okay, listen, see this. It's just a video, but just a second. Wait just a second. I'll show you my outfit to you. It's not my home place. See this. She is me. It's my outfit. And I show you something else. Don't do bad comments in my life, guys. I show you one of my another video. Okay. Just see it. Makrela, see it. My outfit. I'm in park. उमर फारूक भैया कुछ भी पता नहीं है. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. मैं पाकिस्तान में. I'm in park, Makrela. It's my park video. And here one another video here. Here. It's my outfit. It's Muslim outfit, Makrela. Okay. छोटी सी जिंदगी आपको भी सपोर्ट करते हैं. لیکن who can وہ support you چھوٹی سی زندگی. You know, Makrela, here are lots of color in our outfit, but I just have this one. One I'm wearing in my video. It's my sister. It's my sister's. It's my sister's hijab, and I just have one pink and one black. Yes, very nice outfit for a Polish guy like me. It's very unusual. We don't have many Muslim in Poland. Here, not any Muslim in Poland country. Mm. So, Makrela, what's your religion? Makrela, what's your religion? You're a Christian. You're not Muslim. You're a Christian. What's your religion? मैं जिस टाइम भी छोटी सी जिंदगी पता नहीं होता. Oh, you're a Christian. So, Makrela, when is your Christmas? Makrela, when is your Christmas? छोटी सी जिंदगी वीडियो पर कमेंट कर दे, रिटर्न मिल जाएगा. वीडियो पर कमेंट छोड़ दे, रिटर्न मिल जाएगा. Yes, I'm from Pakistan. When is your Christmas? Makrela, you didn't give me your last Christmas gift. Pakistan, Punjab से Zain Ahmed. You know, Makrela, one of our Eid is coming in this month. Religion celebration. Religion like that. Religion. What I say? Sorry, because I can't explain. Okay, I use a translator. Christmas is on 25th September. Makrela, I don't know anything about Christian religion. So you just have one Christmas and any other celebration in your religion. City का नाम है DJ Khan. You know, here in Pakistan, living some Christmas, but I don't know about this because not in our city. पता नहीं साकिब. You know, we have an Eid coming up this month. We have a destination of Christ on April or March. Oh, this just Eastern. मैं हाफिजा नहीं हूँ. Most welcome. Oh, do you have WhatsApp? Makrela, I have Instagram. Can I give you my Instagram ID? You know, Makrela, I have Instagram, I have TikTok, I have YouTube, and I have Facebook, not WhatsApp. Can I give you my Instagram or Facebook or TikTok? नहीं शादी नहीं हुई. Okay, Makrela. Makrela, when you find my Instagram, okay, just leave a comment. I am Makrela in my videos and or message me on or DM me on Instagram. I am Makrela. Then I accept your request. Okay. मेरी टिकटॉक आईडी निकम्मी ब्लॉगर 4. What do you work or study? I'm student. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam. Okay, Makrela, just message me. You are a Makrela, so I accept your request. अरे छोटी सी जिंदगी प्यारी बहना कर दूंगी वीडियो पे कमेंट करो. Makrela, एक सेकंड रुक जा तू. एक सेकंड रुक जा. Makrela not छोटी सी जिंदगी, सॉरी बहन, कर दिया तुझे सब्सक्राइब. ये रहा छोटी सी जिंदगी, ये तेरी ही प्रोफाइल है, कर दिया सब्सक्राइब तो ठीक है. अब चुप कर जा बहन, चुप कर जा. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. जरूर सी बात उस पे. ओके ठीक है. Thank you so much, Makrela. And Makrela, what about everything? Ma'am, you're currently, I'm Pakistani. Hello, Jugno. Makrela, you know my Instagram in this mobile. When I off my lamp, then I see your message. Okay, Makrela, listen. What's your Instagram ID? Can you tell me right now? ये normal cat है Jan. Guys, always do respectful comments, okay? Makrela, what's the name of your Instagram ID? Can you write here your Instagram ID name? Makrela, you know, here a lot of people sending me requests. That's why I didn't accept all requests in my Instagram because they just disturbing me calls and message calls and I just accept the request of some special person like that. You. Can you tell me your Instagram ID name? That's why I easily find your ID name. ले सुबह सुबह कौन क्यों खाते हो? नाश्ता नहीं है ना. मेरी अम्मा साहबा किचन में बैठी है. Yes, I am sure you will recognize me. Okay, I just take a screenshot of your ID. Okay, then I delete your this comment because so a lot of people here make copy of your name, so it's not good. I just take the screenshot. Guys. Okay, Makrila, just listen. After this call, I will off the live, and then I see your, then I see, then I see your message. Okay, no problem. Sad. Okay. After completing this call, I will off this live, and I see your message on Instagram, and then I reply you. Okay. Hi, come on to Holiday Life Korean. Okay. No, thank you so much. A lot of respect, remember. So thank you. Okay, now I go on. Need to go to sleep. Okay, make it. Everything is good. Have a good night. Thank you so much. Really appreciate your support in my life. Thank you so much. Okay, Nausad. Thank you so much. Ramu, welcome. Everyone just make a yellow super chat that I of this live. School incident की सिटी में वन हाँ स्कूल वाला इंसिडेंट इधर हुआ कितना स्टडी किया अभी कर रही हूँ भाइयों रामू कैसे गुड मॉर्निंग गाना से ये बात सच है हकीकत यही है नबिया को मैंने देखा नहीं है हे गाइस मैं कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटिंग का डिप्लोमा करती हूँ भाई लोग हाय गाइस नहीं पठान नहीं हूँ भैया मैं भी बस इंसान हूँ पठान भी इंसान बट मैं नहीं हूँ भैया नहीं हूँ सच में पठान नहीं हूँ हाँ पंजाबी हाय अल्लाह जी जी पंजाबी okay guys now I'm gonna off this live right now I will come back okay everyone bye bye thank you so much